Hello everyone. Here we have the topic is like your smart card. Already we hear this word is in our EFT, electronic fund transfer, right? So now we will discuss briefly about the smart card, like here how it will be looks like and how it will be works and what are the uses for these and whatever we have everything we discuss in this. So here the electronic tokens are not very secure and those not have the ability to manage our multiple transactions. So for that case here we introduced the one one type of a system, that is the electronic payment system, that is developed by in our electronic token that we can call like here our smart card. So this smart card is providing the more security when you are exchanging the transactions. So whenever you are exchanging the money, in that time here the smart card is working like your very good performance. Very good performance. And here these smart cards also known as like your our hybrid cards. Here also we can call these smart cards is like your hybrid cards, right? So we can call hybrid cards. And these smart cards are also known as the store value cards, and these are similar to our credit cards only. Whatever you have the smart cards, these are similar to our credit cards, but here these smart cards will be having some enhanced features like your microprocessor, or else it may be the integrated circuit chip. Once you can check your smart card like your debit card, if you have the card you can check here, these will be having the microprocessor and here it will be having the integrated circuit chip. Once you can check here, that will be in the silver color type here, and that can be stores your massive amount of customer specific information. Means the customer specific information means customer name, customer account number, and the customer phone number, whatever it may be. So whatever the customer is given the information in the bank here, that can be stored in our integrated circuit chip. In our integrated circuit chip. Like here, electronic money and the 80 times greater than here our conventional magnetic strip cards here. And here we have the two types of smart cards. Those are the one relationship smart card. Second one is the electronic purses. So first we will discuss the relationship smart card. So this relationship smart card is based on our smart cards only. Like here, these are used to replace our conventional credit cards. Like your technical customers, and also it can be satisfies our well developed electronic payment system also. These relationships based smart cards are just improving these services, like your to introducing of new services, like bank is giving them bank gives to its customers to use the integrated chip based card. At present this everyone is using like that only, right? uh, Chip type of cards. So it so nowadays here we are getting the automatic scanning type smart cards also, but here most of the peoples are using the chip type of circuit chip type of cards only, right? And those are providing the here three types of services. Whatever you have the relationship smart card, that is providing the three types of services. Those are providing access to many financial accounts, developing the value added marketing the program, and storing the customer specific information. And whatever you have the chip based cards, those are used to perform the particular accounts. And also those will be performed like your individual manner also. Like your information can be used by the our seller to track the behavior of the buyer also. So how they are performing like that. And here you can access the many financial accounts, and they are providing to us like your bill payments, balance inquiry. Yes, right. If you're paying any bills, it may be the uh, recharge, electricity bill, water bill, and DTH bill, anything they are providing. For that, you're with the smart card only we are providing. With the smart card only we are performing these all, right? So here you can see example what we have here, how we are performing like here by using all these here we are performing the bill payments, and also here we are performing the some balance inquiry type also, balance inquiry, right? So how much of balance is there in our my account, by the using one phone number we are getting that one. So sometimes here it will be gives us a mini statement also, right? So this relationship based smart cards, by the card here we are getting, just you can see here smart card is nothing is there here, whatever we are using the debit card, that is the smart card here. Okay, right. So by using of this here we can perform the bill payments and the balance inquiry, etc. We can do. And those are providing the some various accessing accounts. So like here within the multiple locations we can perform by using the different types of devices like your ATMs, PDAs, or else your any screen phone. Screen phone means your smartphones here. So those are the relationship based smartphones. And next here we have the second one, that is the electronic purses. Second one we have the electronic purses. This whatever you have the relation based smart cards, those are very flexible and versatile. And whatever you did the payments by that here, those are done by the credit and the no instant settlement type. But in this electronic purses, whatever you are doing, that is developed by the our financial companies. Here electronic purses are developed by the our financial companies. Not only with the financial companies, it is developed by the government organizations. Not only with the financial companies, it is also developed by the our government organizations for meeting the demands for the developing our financial devices, and those are having some paper cash, right? So here these electronic purses are just here in the form of wallet sized smart cards. At present this year we are using the wallet size smart cards only, right? Those will be having some microchip for storing electronic money. Yes, we are storing our money in the card. Here you can see electronic purses. Whatever we are using the pouch or else purse or else any wallet, you can choose. In that only we have the meaning, right? Anyone can handle this one with the hands or else in the pockets. So these electronic purses are in the form of wallet sized type, and those will be having like your some microchip for storing of the money, and the card holder can purchase a product or services anything by this. And here we have the two types of this here. When you are performing the when you are purchasing the products, or else here when you are transferring the money by the post or anything, so just here we can perform this one in the embedded type also, right? So in this we have the authentication of card holder and the bank in the account. When you're purchasing, or else your the buyer account is immediately and saved in the electronic cash box type, here it can be performed. It like your it can be recharged again by the ATM centers, or else your specific telephones, anything can be done by this. Like this here we can perform the our smart card. And what are the uses we have by the smart card here? You can see here. We have the uses by the smart card. One is the pay phones, mobile communications, banking in the retail, healthcare sector, ID verification and the access control. So first one we have the pay phones. This is having the customers in the company will be beneficial into this. Whatever we have the customers in the companies, those are the beneficial. Why? Because here customer does not have to worry about the carrying of appropriate number of coins. To remember large access codes like your, that is the PIN code of your card, right? And sometimes your customer need to be know the PIN codes like that. So other than that, here the company is not recognized a coin recognizer and the storage box for the coins. And the professionals is connecting the coins for the various terminals that can be eliminated into the pay phones. And next year we have the mobile communication. Next year we have the mobile communication. So this mobile communication, it is like your one GSM digital mobile phones. And the smart card services as like your our identifications to perform the all the significant information. For whom means here it is for the users. Whatever the user, or else here whatever the customer is build the information that can be used by our phone. If you're transferring, if you're doing any process, anything, always here the information about the smart card will be done in the mobile communications only, right? And next here we have third one, that is the banking in the retail. So this smart card is very useful in the banking sectors and the retail sectors also. Why? Because here the smart card is like your one credit card, or else it may be the debit card, or else it is a one type of stored value card. Stored value card means it is like your one type of loan type value. So this will be having the highly powerful microchip to authenticate the user's information. That person is a customer, or else here that person is a merchant type here. Another type of your microchip is also here presenting in our smart card, that is reading the our authenticates the bank, that reads the our authentication information into this. The smart card is also supports the other features like your phone banking, automatic memory, dialing and the online services. Everything can be done in the banking in the retail. And health casing tests. If you're going to the hospital staff will be accepted the, or else your history of the payments, or else your patients, everything can be done in the medical conditions, whatever we have. So those will be helps to the our smart card. So we cannot at that moment we don't have the money in the hand, means here we can pay with the smart cards also. So by the identification of the doctors, and we can provide whatever, right? So in the time also here these smart cards will helpful. And next year ID verification in the access control. The smart cards are also storing the fingerprints of the user and their pictures also, their images. And this information is used to relieve the identification of the card owner. Without the identification of that here, how it will be? No. So for that case here, the card needs the fingerprints and the user's pictures, means your user's image. So that is there, okay, in our smart card. And here it can be easily accessed by the after proper authentication here. Like this, here we have these uses. And next here we have the working for the, okay, and next here we have the working for this. Let's see here what we have the working. Right. So here the user can insert the smart card in the slot. Okay, so in the slot means you're in the ATM machine. Whatever you have the machine, the user who are the customer, those can insert their card in the slot. Slot means your the ATM where it will be have the slot to place your card. After that here the card reader reads the information which is embedded on it. Whatever you have the card reader that is reading our card here, means the card is reading the customer details, account holder details, like name and the account number, like that it will be takes the information. So those will not display to any one person, and that information cannot display in the screen of the ATM also. So that is in the form of embedded type. After this here the user enters the PIN. So means your ATM is asking like you enter the PIN number. So the user is entering the PIN number. And the entered PIN security authorities checks based on the certifications issued. Whatever the certifications we given, that is issued by this. And the trusted CA verifies our certificates here. The trusted here who are having, so those will be verify our certificates. After that here they will means here the system, means here automatically our ATM will be gives the money into this. After the verification only it will be give, otherwise it will not give the any money to us. Okay, so these are the our uses. Okay, so once you can check what we have, so just you can remember how we are working with the smart cards. What is the smart card and what are the uses for this? What are the uses for this? Okay, so once if you're seeing all those, see here will be understand how it will be works and how the user is working. Okay, so just here whatever you are performing by the ATM, that is a process here. So first you have to be insert the card and enter the PIN number. After that here how much amount you need, and after that here with the savings or like that here you can click. After that here how much amount you need, you can withdraw that money. So in between the process will be done like this here. So this is the process for the smart cards. Like this here we can do the process.